Sacklers, at first I'm like, well, yeah, these guys are scumbags. Them, let's make a movie and let's tell the truth. I'm not scared. The more research I did, the more nervous I got because they're just like, these are like real mobsters. These are the real Pablo Escobars, the real drug dealers that are, putting up numbers much larger than the Medellin cocaine cartels, the companies like Purdue and the Sackler families. So the more I learned about just how powerful and quiet they were, and what kind of masterminds at secrecy, like you still, if you try and, search Richard Sackler, they're so scrubbed that you'll get virtually nothing on them. And they just constantly cycle that. And I've yet to find anyone who's better scrubbed as far as, internet than Richard Sackler, the kingpin of the Sackler family. But so the more I learned, the more nervous I got. And there was a moment where I was literally paranoid and I'm like checking my back and like making sure doors are locked and, and having access to security if I felt threatened. And then I realized like if they want to get me, they're going to get me.
Yeah.
And kind of by the time we really got going, the wave was really getting big and people were finally starting to say the name Sackler and realize just how dirty and corrupt this family was. And I felt I think all of us involved felt at least secure in that, like, it was so public at this point that if they did come after us, everyone was going to know. It's like I didn't have to leave a note like, hey, man, if something happens to me, it was Richard Sackler. People kind of already would get that.
Yeah.
And everyone's like, dude, I don't know if I want to stand so close to you. Or I'd invite my friends out to dinner, and they're like, yeah, no, we're good. I'm busy for a while. Let's see how the show plays out.